Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to someone using RBC Online Banking. First thing I want you to do is sign in, and then you go to Quick Payments and Transfer section, and then you click here on Pay Bills and Transfer Funds. Then what I want you to do here, click on Pay with RBC Accounts, choose from which account you're sending. So choose our checking account from the drop down. And then when you say to, you select Add Interact E-Transfer Recipient. So you can select this one right here where you're adding a new payee. So choose Interact E-Transfer Recipient. And then you enter the amount right here, how often you want to go ahead and send, when you want to send this. Of course, this can be once, it can be a recurring payment, it can be weekly, for example, right? Now, the thing is, if you're doing an Interact e-transfer, this cannot be post-dated or recurring. It has to be right then and there, so that's why it's grayed out. And then you click here on Next. Now, then you need to just enter their account details. You confirm the transaction and you can send it over. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out.